At the corner of Barstow and North First Street, something you may not expect to find is this: a chocolate factory. Co-owner Johannes supports his wife in Fresno's only locally owned chocolate factory.
So my wife and I have two boys, Raphio and Rio. We combine it to be Raphio. So it's Raphio chocolate.
With one mission in mind.
This chocolate is good for our kids, and we want this good stuff for our customers.
They import cocoa from around the country, and it's the main ingredient in the chocolate making process.
So when we imported the beans, we ended up just experimenting with it, and finally, successfully, we actually make chocolate and able to sell it locally.
From sorting the cocoa beans to grinding the nibs for over 50 hours, the process takes patience.
So the longer it ages, just like wine, the better it tastes.
Raphio chocolate has been around for over 3 years. They make over 8 different types of chocolate bars, including one that is named after Fresno.
And then when they have the new product, which is using Fresno chili, we just cannot be more excited about that because it really put Fresno on their label and also in our label.
Johannes says the price of purchasing raw materials is expensive.
So that alone is a competition already, but luckily, I think educating the customers have paid off.
The average cost of Raphio's chocolate bar is $9, but Johannes says you're getting more than just a chocolate bar.
By doing this, a lot of this, half of the price of this cocoa bar goes back to the farmer, helping them, helping their families.
Johannes reminds us that good dark chocolate promotes good health.
Cocoa beans, in this form, it has a lot of flavonols. It's one of the highest antioxidants on the plant-based food.
The family is working on expanding the factory and adding more seats for people to enjoy their products. Reporting in Raphio Chocolate Factory, Tony Salazar, Fresno State Focus.